The age of AI is upon us, and change has already begun. The AI revolution is underway. In the next 10 years, how will your job change? AI is not just replacing manual labor, it's infiltrating office jobs too. Companies are opting for faster, cheaper AI solutions. These jobs are at risk: tax preparers, accountants, legal analysts, and even customer service reps. AI analyzes patterns, calculates numbers, and mimics emotions. There's even talk that AI could replace lawyers. Language is well defined, rules are precise, and with so much precedent and data, AI can learn. The biggest advantage of AI is its data analysis ability. It makes fewer mistakes than humans and can work tirelessly. But AI can't replace everything. Understanding emotions and making creative decisions, these are areas only humans can handle. AI can assist, but understanding and empathizing with patients' emotions is the doctor's role. As a doctor handles more data, the quality of care can improve, leading to more personalized treatments. So what jobs can't be replaced by AI? It's hard to pinpoint exactly, but if I had to guess, jobs that involve interacting with people seem safer. Some jobs need human presence. People want comfort, emotional exchange, and someone they can rely on. Creative fields, new endeavors, and jobs based on empathy and human interaction, those will remain human. In the AI era, our roles are changing. We need to stop seeing AI as an enemy and start learning how to use it as a tool. Don't lose the courage to try new things. It's great if it aligns with your current work, but even if it doesn't, start exploring new forms. This is a challenge we all face, not just one person, and the timeline might differ for each of us. But technology is so new that AI has only been around for a few years. It's exciting. Everyone is starting from the same point. Sure, some might start late, but that means they may not have enough time to catch up. It's about seizing the opportunity now. Middle ground won't cut it. The ones who use AI will be the winners. It's critical to learn and prepare now. Just because something was created based on a specific technology doesn't mean it's limited to just that. Sometimes it's used to create art, write documents, or even solve math problems. What we need to figure out is where our expertise can meet these benefits. This could open up new opportunities. But it may take time to expand our thinking and learn how to apply these skills. At the end of the day, AI is just a tool. The question is, will you be the one using AI, or will AI take your place? Will your job survive in the AI era? Leave your thoughts in the comments.